right, guys, your last assignment for today is to make sure you don't have any missing assignments. So what you have to do is come into literacy, come into math, and come into science and social studies and ask, okay, what is sitting here in this missing activities section? Notice right now this person has a 2 here. So they have to do both of these assignments. An assignment can be missing for 2 reasons. 1, you didn't do it, or 2, you haven't turned in the right thing, or you haven't completed all the steps. So when I click here on Voting in America, and she goes to her locker and clicks on it, she's got something here. She has got something turned in. But when she goes and looks at her action steps, and she comes and looks about here, it says, watch this video about closing statements, then write your closing statements. So she has to come and make sure she did that, okay? Then to step 5, watch the video introductions. Then using a new document. Ooh, she doesn't have a new document in her locker. So she needs to make sure she has a new document and write her introduction. Then she needs to make sure that steps 6, 7, 8, and 9 are done, and then is turned into her locker. Now, when you turn something into your locker, it will not always disappear from your missing assignments right away. I have to click an extra button to make them go away. So right here, she's got her final draft community helpers. When she looks here, it looks like, hey, I've turned something in. If she clicks on feedback, she can see that I've left her a note about what's wrong with this right now. And it says, this is my example, not yours. And sure enough, when she clicks on it, I can see that this is Ms. Summers' example and not her own Google Slides. So she'll need to go in to her action steps and make sure she's done each of the action steps. Once she's done with all of her missing assignments in literacy, she'll go check math and she'll check science and social studies. That will help her know that she has finished everything that she needs to finish. Be very careful that you've done everything that you need to do, and I'm giving you lots of time today to make sure all of your missing assignments are in. Happy working!